Hi, I'm your Excel buddy here, and in this small video we are going to see how we can determine the highest value and the lowest value out of a given data. So the functions which we are going to use here to determine the highest and the lowest values of the given data are, for highest we'll be using max, and for the lowest we'll be using min. So let's dive down into that and see how to use them. So as we have already come to know about the names, here we go. Let us say in this cell I want to apply the function. So here I go, equals max. This will show me the highest value. Open parentheses, select the range of reference, close parentheses, and hit enter. You can see 83 is the highest so far. Just to check this, let us say I key in 85 in the same column, and you see the value changes to 85. So that's it. Let us delete this. Now highest is 83 once again. On the same lines, let us say I want to know the lowest value. So I will write the function here this time, equals min for minimum or the least value. Open parentheses, I give the range, close parentheses, and I hit enter. You can see 29 is the least. Just to check it once again, in the same column I gave less than 29, so 10. You can see this is shown as the least figure now. So that's it. Just to recapitulate the function here, min or max for that matter, after parentheses we have to define numbers as number 1, comma number 2, comma number 3. These can be numbers or references, individual references of cells, or we can even give a range reference as we have given in our case. So it depends how you want to use this function. I hope this would have helped. Thank you.